All right, YouTube, go check out my buddy Drip God TV. He just did a cleaning video, so I figured I'd show you guys my cleaning video. It's pretty similar to his. His is a lot more thorough and in-depth. Mine's gonna be pretty quick. So it's all pretty dull right now, this chain. And that's from like sweat and everything like that. I just clean mine when it looks dirty. So like a quick way, if you didn't really have time, just take some hand sanitizer and it actually cleans it pretty good. So put like the hand sanitizer in your hand with the chain and go back and forth, and then wipe it off with a cloth, and it comes out pretty darn clean. Now for what I do is I take some tin foil, use the shiny side, and make like a bowl. Don't use the dull side. So put it in a sink, this. Make sure you're careful that you're not gonna lose it in the sink. Sometimes I do it in the kitchen. I make sure I put the plug in there. But you can see how dull it is right now. It's really dull. So just try to spread it out. You want it on the shiny part like as much as you can. Like try to spread it out evenly. That looks pretty good. All right, now throw some baking powder on there. Just like that, like an even coat. Now you want to put some dish soap on there. Got some Dawn, just a little bit. That's good. And if you can hear that in the background, that's the boiling water. So you can put a cup of water in the microwave, or use one of these. Get some boiling water, boil it on the stove. Do it however you want. Okay, we're gonna fix this right here because it doesn't look like a bowl. The water's just gonna come right out. All right. Just like that. Now leave it for 5 minutes, and I actually have a toothbrush specifically for this, and you see how dirty it is there. And yeah, it's an automatic when I turn it on, and it's really soft bristled. So I just clean it like that. And now if you polished your chains, so if your jewelry is really scratched up, you want to polish it, okay? And if you polish it, then you're gonna get a lot of the black grime left over in between the links, especially on a rope chain. So what you want to do is do something like this method, and then if it doesn't clean out, you actually have to get the proper jewelry cleaning solution, and it's usually like blue, and if you put it inside there, it'll start eating that polish away. So it just makes it a lot easier. Here's the jewelry cleaner. I don't like using it a lot because it's a chemical cleaner, right? And you don't want to mix metals, so you don't want a white gold and yellow gold in there. But every once in a while, I'll use it to get the polish off. So put your piece in there for like 5 to 15 minutes. Take it out, your jewelry out of that, or the cleaner. You want to rinse it off with cold water, okay? And come over to a hard surface like that. You can try a stiff bristle like toothbrush first, and then if that doesn't work, I use my brass brush. But if it messes up your piece, sorry to tell you, but like this is what I do, okay? Brass is really like I said, the softest metal. But don't use it on something really high carat because you'd probably scratch it. I don't know if you guys can see that shine there, but it's nice and shiny now. As soon as I take it out, I rinse it with some cold water, and I wipe it down with a cloth really good, and yeah, this is what it looks like. There's a nice rich color to it, and it's really shiny. I wish it would pick it up, but of course it doesn't.